Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your residence on Toloka, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app. After that click on the three lines at the top of the screen, then click on the settings. After that click on your profile and you can see the residence. Right now is the United States of America, but if you want to change it, you can do it. And you have to select one of the countries from this list. Let's say Australia and click on the save, and then your residence will be changed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.